Hygge is a very comfortable feeling. To me, it's something which happens every day when I come home and sit with my wife in front of a couple of candlesticks. Something like that.
How's it going over there? I got some things you wanna hear. It's been a while since we split. I've been trying to forget. I'm not like you left me. I'm not saying sorry.